Yes, sir. Very happy evening to all. My dear lovable students, those who are going to write your both the group examination, by today we have completed our group number 1. Sir, in the entire CA, now you have to think that we are having only group number 2. There is no look back for group number 1. First of all, you don't analyze how you have written advanced accounting, law, tax, whatever it may be, whether it's tough, whether it's easy. There are certain examinations where the examinations will be very tough, whereas valuation will be very easy. The same way, examination will be very easy, dead easy, but the valuation will be very tough. So nothing is in our hands. Only in our hands is preparation. We have to prepare, be in the process, go and write the examination, pray very well, wait for the good results. That's it. So the point number 1, if you are writing both the groups, don't get affected by the G1 examination. That baggage you don't carry to G2. Ensure that you are very fresh. That's why even I am putting the live at 6:30, post 6:30, just you take a break of, sir, 1 hour like that. My dear lovable students, if you are going to write exclusive G2, this is the video for you. You all know that this time it's like a collar timetable. In the sense means after costing, we are having gap for the FM bar SM. And also, my dear lovable students, after that we are having audit. Already we are having a doubt that because of the shift of examination, will the examination is going to be tougher or will the examination is going to be normal? All those things the students are having doubt. Fine. Whatever it may be, my dear lovable students, this subject is the exit route of group number 2. Whatever you say, sir, I will be scoring well in FMSM, whatever I'll be scoring in audit, my dear lovable students, always costing is a savior for group number 2. So what we can do, let the examination be tough, easy, average. These are the only options available for the examiner. What are the options available for us? Only option available for us is prepare very well, give our 100% effort. What more we can do, my dear lovable students? We can't do anything more than that. So with this mindset, in the coming 1.5 days, this is the schedule which I have designed for you. Sir, now time is 6:45. By 7 o'clock, you start the slot number A from 7 to 11:30. 3 topics, man. Cost sheet you do, cost accounting system you do, process costing you do. Minimum 10 questions should be solved in your hand. That means take cost sheet, 1 question you fully solved, process 1 question you fully solved, cost accounting system 1 question from the reconciliation, and another question from the journal entries. Sir, journal entries under reconciliation. My dear lovable students, one question. 10 question you have to minimum solve. Sit and solve. Once you solve 10 question, the remaining time if you are having, go through the question, important adjustment. Okay, this chapter has to be done like that. By 11:30 you push yourself and complete slot number A. Tomorrow morning start by 7 o'clock, my dear lovable students. 7 to 11:30 you spend your time with the standard costing, marginal costing and budget. I will tell you, man, standard costing will be coming for 8 mark in exam. Marginal costing will be coming for, sir, nearly 8 to 10 mark in exam, and budget and budgetary control will be coming for 8 mark in exam. So from this area, handwritten do 10 question, at least 8 to 10 question you revise. Especially in standard costing, do the reverse working sums, variance given, question finding out. In marginal costing, sir, decision making level of question, like key factor analysis, like that question you do. In budget, production budget, sales budget, like that budgets you mainly focus on with regard to standard, marginal and budget. I have given nearly from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After break, nearly 3.5 to 4 hours has been given. In that, I want all of you to do 10 question, my dear lovable students. And in slot number M, after 11:30, you start by 12 till 5 o'clock. You prepare the material, you prepare the labor, you prepare the unit, batch and job costing, then joint product and byproduct. Especially this time, joint byproduct is going to be a hit because 1 or 2 times they have not tested properly. Sir, from the material, we will be getting a 5-mark question. From the labor, we'll be getting a 5-mark question. Unit, batch and joint cost, my dear lovable students, one of the area will be tested for 5-mark. Joint product and byproduct will be tested for 5-mark in exam. Please brush up all these areas by spending from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours has been allotted if you are able to spend effectively 4 hours, and you have to do from every chapter important areas, totally 16 question in your hand. By the time 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, take a break. 6 to 7, 8, 9, very important 2 chapters, overhead and ABC. Oh my God, from ABC, Anyayama will be getting free 8-mark. Please revise and go. From overhead, we will be getting another 8 to 10-mark, my dear lovable students. 6 questions at least to do. And from 9:30 to 11:30, my dear lovable students, night time tomorrow, go with the service costing, which is very much possible. And MCQs and case scenarios also will covering. If you are, the main problem with the students is, sir, simply they are not knowing what to do in this 1.5 days. Simply they are starting with one chapter, sitting for long time, and they are feeling that, oh my God, already it's noon, already it's evening, but I have not covered. That's why time-wise, it's like spoon feeding. Question-wise, I'm saying to you, you just, sir, follow this. By 7 o'clock, you sit. 11:30, complete 10 questions. And my dear lovable students, you'll be feeling a wholesome completion. Okay, da. Now cost sheet, cost accounting system, process costing has been completed. Then standard, marginal and budget. Sir, 10 question you do. If you are having extra time, you go through the extra important question from whatever notes you have completed. If you are my student, my class notes can be used. Any other faculty, sir, any other notes available. And 12 to 5, material, labor, unit, batch, job, and joint product and byproduct, sir, that you have to complete. And overhead and what? ABC costing and service costing. Don't waste your time. Don't think anything. Try to execute one plan. Surely we can achieve the success, my dear lovable students. Sir, I just want to hear from you all that, sir, in the Jan Mattundan, sir, just now we have, sir, closed the group number 1. Now it's time to accelerate in group number 2. In the Jan Mattunna, I am wishing you all to score a 70 plus in costing, being the first paper. Then we are having sufficient 4 days of time for the preparation of our FM and SM. So start your preparation, that too very happily, my dear lovable students. In costing, if you have that smile when you prepare, surely you will start get the answers. When you are doing costing, if you are having stress, you will automatically go somewhere. That too, you don't know where you are going somewhere. So wishing you all the very best and meet you with another useful video. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye from ANM.